Says let's go to the lake. 5 ducklings wiggle, jump and shake. One says I'm shy, the other says yay. Mama smiles, you'll be okay. Swim, swim, little duckies, go. Paddle with your feet below. Flap, flap, feathers flight. We'll be swimming left and right. One jumps in with a tiny splash. Bubbles rise and ripples dash. Look at me, the duckling grins, floating proudly as he spins. Splish, splash, giggle and glide. Come on, duckies, don't just hide. 2 more jump with happy sounds. They make waves and turn around. Mama claps, that's the way. Ducky fun all through the day. Swim, swim, little duckies, go. Circle round and to and fro. Paddle, paddle, splish and play in the water all the day. Through the lilies past the frog, over petals by a log. Duckies learn to float and glide, moving gently with the tide. Last 2 ducklings look unsure, sitting still beside the shore. Mama whispers, you can try. One blinks twice and says, let's fly. 1, 2, 3, and then a leap. Off we go into the deep. All 5 ducklings side by side, paddling with joy and pride. Swim, swim, little ducky, swim. Water cool and light so dim. Sun is setting, sky turns gold. Ducky hearts are big and bold. Now they rest near Mama's side, tucked in close with sleepy eyes. Stars above and moon so bright. Duckies dream through the night. Quack, 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 good night, good night. Sleepy duckies snuggle tight.